Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If Snapchat is not opening on your phone while other apps are working fine, do not worry. This is usually a temporary issue and can be fixed easily. First, if you tap on Snapchat and it does not open, wait for a few seconds and try again. Sometimes the app may take time to respond. If it still does not open, go to your phone settings. Now tap on Apps and find Snapchat. Open Snapchat settings. Here tap on Storage. First, tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without deleting your data. Now try opening Snapchat again. If the problem is still not fixed, go back to the same settings. Tap on Clear Data. This will reset the app, so you may need to log in again. Now open Snapchat and check if it is working. If Snapchat still does not open, go to the Play Store or App Store. Search for Snapchat and update the app if an update is available. If updating does not help, uninstall Snapchat from your phone. Then reinstall it again from the store. After reinstalling, open Snapchat and log into your account. The app should now open without any issues. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more app troubleshooting tutorials.